What's this? It's lunch. It's light. Century Products. I don't know what this is. This knife is dull. I have my sharpening. Ah, it's going to buy a sharpening stone. Actually, I stole it from Mom's in the house. I don't know if it really helps though. It doesn't feel like it does anything. Let's see if it does.
Mm-hmm.
It's not 100% tearing, but it's better. Ooh. Timer with repeat cycle countdown. I'm pretty sure this is some kind of a custom tune product. So this is a timer with a repeater. There's a close-up of it. 24 digital. Oh, I remember what this was. Alright, so this here has a timer on it. Hey, it's made for motorcycles. See, it says cycle.
Oh, perfect.
So you got hour, minute, timed, cycle. I'm thinking cycle might be for motorcycle.
Yeah.
Might be for cycle. Let's do a cycle testing.
That's boring.
So remember I told you I left this stupid charger on? I didn't like doing that because lithium batteries like to explode and catch on fire.
Yeah.
So if you take this thing, plug this into your wall outlet, and you plug this into this here. Now you can take this and somehow program this to be shut off in 1, 2, 3 hours.
Wow.
And then you won't have to worry about your battery burning at night, catching your shop on fire and smoking all these good eBay crap videos.
That would be horrible.
It would be terrible if that happened. The only problem is I have no idea how to do this. So, if you were stupid, what would you do?
Read the instructions.
I said stupid.
Oh, start pushing buttons.
I think it's on 5 hours or it's 5 o'clock. I'm not sure. Mode. Oh, there we go. 8 p.m. What time is it anyway?
It is 6:25.
It's 6:30. Yeah, close enough. Hour. That doesn't work. Cycle. I don't know how this works. Oh, there's a timer there. Oh, there's something over here on the side too. Ooh.
Oh, damn.
AM. So I think this is supposed to time a certain time of day. It automatically comes on. And maybe automatically goes off.
Fancy.
It's got all kinds of fancy crap on here. I'm not making very good progress by just pushing buttons here, so.
No.
Do you think maybe I have to read the instructions now?
You might have to find a smart person.
That's not here. Let's see. I can tell there's no power because the light's not on. Where's the light? Is that supposed to be the light? Okay, so right now we have no power at all. So we gotta figure out how to make power. See, I don't have any kind of light going on.
That must be the reset.
I thought it was for retard.
Yeah, possibly. Oh. Oh, it's doing something.
2 hours. That's off. I think I went to 0. Okay, so maybe at 12 a.m. it might come on and shut off at 2 o'clock.
All right.
I don't know what that did. Maybe I shut it off.
I think you shut it off.
Oh. Well, there you go.
All right.
The problem is it didn't work.
If you ever figure it out, it might be useful.
Yeah, see, it wasn't working.
Yeah.
Okay, works great. all these buttons and pictures and stuff you got to read. You notice how it's all in English?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good. Doesn't have 15 languages in here. Okay, well, we're going to have to figure this one out because I'm stupid. Yeah. I'll have to read that. But I don't feel like reading it now. I think I'm going to add this to the pile of stuff we're going to do later.
All right.
I don't know why they gave me so many. Are they all the same? These are energy saving.
Nice.
I think they're only doing one test. That's the problem. Okay, there's a number. Okay, what number is this one? This says J and D on it. This one says J and D on it. And this one here says what?
JMD.
J and D. I think they're all the same. It says new also. It's new.
Oh, that's good.
These aren't used.
Perfect.
So it's a BN link repeat cycle international hour programmable timer. That's way too much work. All right. So we'll have to come back later after we figure out how to use that stupid thing.
Perfect.
But it looks like it could be a good tool because some dumbass left this on the other night.
Yeah.
It almost started firing here.
Sorry about that.
You know what the biggest problem I have when I use my big battery charger? That automatic charger down there?
What's that?
It doesn't shut off.
That's a problem.
Yeah. Now, I don't know how many amps this thing lets you run through it. I'm sure it probably tells you somewhere. It'd be nice if it did like 15 amps, but I have to read the instructions. But that could be a nice thing to hook up my battery charger and then I wouldn't kill my batteries all the time.
There you go.
All right, sit for that one.